guys, today I'm not wearing my spectacles. Write in the comments how I look. So I have some problem with my eyes, but no wearing spectacles today. I have problem to seeing anything. So I talked about my videos and my fidget spinner videos in my first video. So today I'm showing you my fidget spinner collection. I don't have many of them, but I have two of them. Here are two. One is blue one and one is LED lights. This buddy is pretty cool. Whoa, it's lightning! Whoa! I talk about them later in my video. Okay, come on. First, let's talk about this thing. This thing spins pretty cool. My gosh. But this is very heavy. It's heavier than me. Just kidding, guys. It's not heavier than me, but it's pretty heavy. I don't know about with fidget spinner. You can write in the comments about how heavy are normal fidget spinners. Okay, let's go and spin it. Whoa, it's again lightning. Whoa. Again lightning. When I pick it up, there stops lightning. Okay, nothing. Again, it's lightning. Let's see. It stopped lightning. Okay. Whoa. So this buddy pretty cool. Let's talk about this thing. It's lights. That's why it is white. And it's very light, not that much heavy. It's very light. It's pretty light, you know. Whoa, it's lightning. It lights for a little amount of time. Just like that. Just see, guys, just see. Isn't it pretty cool, huh? Let's go on. Let's see how this 2B versus. Ooh. Whoa, it stopped. They're pretty cool. I like it. Wow. Come on, see, let's do it up and up and see what happens. It's not being up and up. Okay. Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? It's very cool. I like it. Yeah, it's very cool. They two are very cool. Isn't it very cool, huh? So, guys, these two are pretty cool. Okay. Just like that. They're pretty cool. What do you think about my fidget spinners? Write in the comment below. Whoa! So these two are pretty expensive. They are very expensive in India. That's why I have only two of them. It's very expensive, like 1,000, 2,000. They're very expensive. This buddy is 1,000 and this buddy is 3,000. The two are very expensive. Because this lights, that's why it is more expensive. So guys, thanks for watching my videos and write in the comments below about how do you feel about my fidget spinners. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be so appreciated if you give me many thumbs up. I'm not having much views or thumbs up or subscribers. I'm having 2 or 3 views. Or in my collection of cards video, though I have only 4 views. So much, little bit. Guys, come on, watch my videos and thumbs up. I'm not forcing you, but come on, let's watch. You can write complaints in the comments also. I will try to improve your complaints. Like if someone tells you that you are being black in your videos, I'll go and in a lighty area, so it would be better to be seen me. Like this only you can give complaints or anything, you can give great video or something like that. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.